First, choose Android device. Go to your dashboard and choose No Google account and password. You can connect the target device through one of the three methods below. It's easy and fast to connect in dashboard. The second method is to download the Google Authentication app and then verify Google account and password. The third is to connect in Chrome plugin. Now let's go over these three methods one by one. Method 1. Connect in dashboard. First, directly enter the Google account email and password of the phone you want to monitor in the dashboard. Second, follow the prompts to complete Google account authentication on your target device. Then come back to dashboard and click Next. Data is being downloaded at this time, and then you will see all the data in your dashboard. Method 2. Connect in app. First, copy the link or scan the QR code to open it in your Android phone's browser. Then follow the video to download the Google account verification app on your Android phone. Then fill in the Google account and password of the target phone and finish the verification in your target phone. After finishing the verification, come back to your dashboard and enter the Google account and password of the target device again, and then you will see all the data in your dashboard. Method 3. Install the plugin. First, open the plugin install page on Chrome and click Add to Chrome to install the plugin successfully. Then come back to your dashboard to connect the device. Fill in the Google account and password of the target phone you want to monitor, then finish the verification in your target phone. After the verification is completed, click I agree, wait for 1 minute and then close the verification page. Please return to the dashboard and please check all backup settings on the target phone to ensure you can make full use of SpyX. And then you will see all the data in your dashboard. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.